In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Formatter within the Zap editor to streamline your workflow and automate your processes efficiently. Whether you're managing text, numbers, or dates, the Formatter can become an invaluable tool, helping you to manipulate and format data effortlessly. So let's dive right into the step-by-step guide and explore how to leverage this powerful feature. First things first, let's talk about adding a Formatter step to your Zap. In the Zap editor, you'll notice a plus button. This is your gateway to expanding your automated workflow. Click on it, and from the list of action apps available, select Formatter. This choice allows you to specify the type of data manipulation necessary for your task. By doing so, you open up a range of possibilities for refining and customizing your data through various transformations. Next, you'll need to select the action event. This part is crucial because it defines the type of data you intend to format. You have several options at your disposal, such as text, number, or date/time. Choosing the right type makes a significant difference, as each category provides unique formatting capabilities tailored to your data's nature. So, consider carefully the context of the data you're working with to ensure you make the best choice here. After selecting the action event, it's time to choose the specific transformation you want to apply. For instance, if you selected text, you might pick split text as your transformation. If you chose number, you might want to format it to a currency or percentage. Dates and times offer transformations like changing formats or creating time intervals. The goal here is to select the transformation that aligns most closely with the results you're aiming to achieve. Now, let's move on to configuring the transform. This step requires attention to detail, as you'll provide input fields, separators, formats, and other specific parameters necessary for your chosen transformation. For example, if you're splitting text, you might specify a comma or space as the separator. Precise configuration is key to ensure that the data is formatted exactly as you need it to be, keeping your workflow smooth and functional. Finally, it's time to test and continue. This is where you'll validate your hard work by testing the Formatter step with sample data. This practice run is essential to confirm that everything is working correctly and that the transformation is applied just as expected. If everything checks out, you can confidently proceed to the next step in your Zap, knowing that the Formatter is seamlessly integrated into your process. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Formatter within the Zap editor. By following these steps, you'll enhance your data handling capabilities and bring a new level of precision and efficiency to your automated workflows. Happy automating!